Hey guys, Jake Robertson here. It is 11:40 in the afternoon on a Friday. I'm just going to be replacing the shifter boot on the Jeep today, and I expect the most difficult thing about this little project is going to be getting the shifter knob off. So I've got a pipe wrench and some cloth, and we'll try and get that off and put on the new boot. I don't think I've ever filmed down here before, but this is where I park my Jeep down in the underground parking. Harley in the front, it's all covered in dust, poor thing. And yeah, so lighting isn't the greatest, especially right in there where the Jeep is, so we'll get that knob off and get the new shifter boot on there. Should be good. Okay, the lighting was so bad in the underground parking, I decided to move my vehicle outside just so I could get some extra light down here in the shifter area. So I'm outside now, should be able to get better lighting. Okay, so as you can see, we got to get this off so that I can get the rubber boot and the ring will come off. I mean, that comes off, but I got to get this whole piece off, and it won't come off. Well, I guess it would come off, but I can't get the new one on without getting this off, so that's got to come off first. So let's see if we can get that off. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Wrap this. Oops. I don't think getting it on is going to be hard. It just pops right on. So it's just getting it off. Oh, felt something move. Hopefully that wasn't the plastic given. Woo! Okay, now that we got this knob off, now we can grab this and pull that, and then this. See, I could have gotten this off, obviously, but I would not have. I could have cut this off too, I suppose. But anyway, this just slides up like that. Bye bye, old piece, and just there. So we'll get the new one, put that on. Easy peasy. Just slides on down. And then that goes under there. And we line those up. And those should just snap under. There we go. It's on. Just, is there anything in there? Anyway, I'm just going to put this up higher. So, and then that. Just take this and slide that on, and then I just want to make sure that's all. It kind of doesn't go anywhere else. Like, it won't. See, turn there and it fits, goes down, then just bang it on. We're good. We're done. Beauty. This'll. Yeah, she's done. Woo! So that was the install of the shifter boot. That was pretty simple. The knob was the hardest part, actually. I'm sure if anybody's ever changed the shifter boot before or had to get the knob off, you know that can be a little difficult. And I think one of those oil filter wrenches with the strap probably would work really well. But the pipe wrench and the cloth worked, and didn't damage the knob, so we're all good. We're all set. I just got to fix my window. I don't know if you can see right there. right there. The window is down about maybe ½ inch or so. It went down and then it just stopped. So I wiggled the wires in the door and it did move, and then I haven't been able to get it to move since. So I may have to resplice some wiring or whatever. I don't know. I got some guy honking at me. Can't figure out how to drive around. Anyhow, that's it. It is now about 5 minutes before noon. So, and beautiful sunny day. Belle's working till 1, so I gotta go pick her up. I may not have time to get the window fixed before I have to go pick her up, so maybe I'll save that until after I pick her up. And 4:30 I gotta pick up my boy, and then we're gonna pack up a couple backpacks and get ready for tomorrow's four-wheeling adventure with Brent. He was out yesterday scouting some trails. He had a picture there that said a 4-foot water crossing. I'm not sure I want to do a 4-foot water crossing without a snorkel. We'll see. I hope he doesn't take us across there, but you never know. Yeah, anyway. That's it for now. Bye for now. Bye.